You probably remember the days when the phone was our friend, but you now know it's not really that much of a friend anymore. So I highly recommend that you take control of it. So take a look at this video here and see how you can change the way you communicate with your customers and take control of how much time your phone takes out of your day. The first thing to do to take control of your phone is to use text communications. 97% of American adults are using it weekly. And you're going to find that 78% of the people wish they can communicate with you using text. And even better, look at all these things: scheduling, changing, and making and confirming appointments. These are things customers want to text you with. So why not text them too? And what about that other 3%? Well, guess what? They're coming on board too. It's no longer something that only young people do. Everyone will be texting in the near future. Additionally, you have to keep an eye out for some other things that are going to affect your phone, like the spoof and spam that's occurring today. And if you don't take that into account, you're going to be answering those calls and taking up your time trying to deal with some of that stuff. And there's those other phone calls that are necessary evil. Appointments. Unless you have your customers setting them up online or before they leave, you're going to be spending time on the phone doing that. And then there's those salespeople that are always irritating you, trying to sell you something that you don't need. And finally, those coupon shoppers. Imagine if you can identify the ones that are already your customers to make the greatest deals with them. You are busy enough at the desk. You don't need anything extra thrown at you. So taking control of your phones is going to be really important. ProCall helps you control your phone by making that interaction when a customer calls that much quicker. Customer calls your shop, and if they're one of your current customers, a little balloon will pop up and show you who that is. And all you have to do is click on that balloon. And you'll have all the customer's basic information even before you pick up the phone. Matter of fact, if their vehicles have any kind of recommendations due, you'll know that, and you can make an appointment right from here. ProCall is going to help you work on your phones. Additionally, ProCall is going to identify those phone calls that you don't want. With multiple advisors at the desk, each one can identify their own customer and pick up that phone call. So there you go. I mean, if you've taken the time and you moved into text along with 97% of the United States, those few people that you're going to talk to, you're going to have a lot less time on the phone. So that's how you're going to take control, is moving your people over to texting, because that's how they communicate today.